Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Lexi and I are going to tell you some benefits that you would want to blog as a student or that teachers would want students to blog. We're going to use a couple of websites here as our resources, but there are many, many more. These are just a couple that we have chosen for today's presentation. Lexi?
Thank you, Ms. Cooper. Here are 10 reasons students should blog. Blogs are authentic. You reach a real audience rather than a pretend audience. Blogs allow students to give voice to their passions. Basically, it allows you to speak about what you are interested in. 3, blogs invite feedback. Your peers comment on your efforts. And there are many more great reasons why you should blog.
Thank you, Lexi. A job well done. We see how this list continues to go on. Another site we want to share with you is a PBS from PBS Kids. And here we have an experiment that students did on Ice Cube. Students, if you look carefully at the material list here, you will notice that these are very familiar in an activity that we did in class. But what we did not do is to blog about it. And here, if you would just visit this site and click share your results, you can blog just as the students have done down this list. Lexi is going to read just a few posts that students have written. Victoria from New Hampshire says,
we put an ice cube in a shore box and melt it in 1 hour and it burns.
Will from Kingsport, Tennessee wrote,
they all melted some, but the newspaper melted the least.
Allie from Elgin wrote,
wow, it totally worked so well. We had a competition in class and I won. It took 16 hours for it to completely melt.
Those are just a few blogs that students included here on this post. This is the type of thing that you want to be able to do, students, in order to get peer feedback and to share some of what you have learned. Happy blogging!